going on, guys? Mike Gaming here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and this is a Funko, or powered by Funko, mystery box, a Black Friday 2017 one to be exact. So this retails for $19.99 in America, and I got it for $12.99 because they were doing a special box, so it's really cool. So the items that come with this is a lanyard, it comes with socks, and it also comes with an 8-bit Funko Pop. So yeah, look at the design. It's really cool, nice, and it says only at GameStop, so you can only get this at GameStop. So let's unbox this. Alright guys, so I just took the scissors so my channel doesn't get taken down. I didn't show me doing that, but you can see 100% authentic. So, the chances in this box is a 1 out of 5 getting a chase, but from watching other YouTubers, it's 1 out of 3. So hopefully I get the chase. I don't know what I'm going to get, but 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! This is what? Oh my god! Oh my god! Alrighty then. Woohoo! Damn! Oh, sorry for language, but wow. Alright, so I got a Predator keychain. It isn't the chase, but I already got a Ryu one, which I'll show you right now. Alright guys, so here is the Ryu one. I'm sorry, I'm just really happy. It's a cool lanyard. I just really wanted the Predator one, if it was a chase or not, but Ryu. The socks are Batman socks, which I do have in the laundry right now because I need to clean them. So, only at GameStop exclusive Street Fighter. It's a really nice Funko Pop that I'll probably display. So yeah, let me put this over there. Ah, geez, this thing is hard to put back. Alright. So, let's review this first. This is a GameStop exclusive. We're only at GameStop lanyard. So, you can. Wow, I'm super thrilled that I got the Predator because this was the one I wanted. So, and good price, $12.99 for an 8-bit. Wow, this is cool. So this is the Predator 8-bit, and you can see him with his mouth. Really nice. I'm definitely gonna wear this. This is on there. So I'll pause it and I'll wear it. Alright guys, so here you can see, let's review the socks. Ooh, these ones are nice. These ones are better with Batman. The Ryu ones were red and orange with black. And these are really nice. These are gray and blue and black with the Batman. So I'll pause it and I'm going to put these on. Alright guys, so here's the socks. Really nice. Really cool in my opinion. I really like them. And they're probably one of the most comfy socks, to be honest. But yeah, that's the box. Pretty cool. I got the Predator. I haven't seen any of the movies, but I definitely feel like I've seen an Alien one, the Alien movies, but I haven't seen the Predator. So since I got this, I'll probably watch this, pause it, and let's get into this. Okay guys, so I got the Predator Funko Pop out of the box. Looks really nice, and I remember him having the things on his arm, his hand. It's really nice detail. This looks gold, and if you didn't know what the 8-bit is, I'm assuming it is like 8-bit as in like old style. So these are gearing to old. There's Mega Man from Mega Man, there's Raiden from Mortal Kombat, Ryu from Street Fighter, Predator from the Predator movies. So yeah, there's also another one which I forget the name of on the top of my head. But yeah, this character looks really cool. Pause it and I'll clean all of this up. Okay guys, so I have the stuff right here, but I want to share you a very cool story on how I found a weaponized Rick Chase figure. So I went to my local mall and I was going to Hot Topic to look behind boxes to see if they had anything, and you know, we really searched. So they didn't have anything. We went to GameStop, which me and my dad were literally looking through lots of boxes. We went to I think another store, I forget the name of it, but then we went to FYE and we didn't see this yet, but we were looking behind boxes and boxes, and then guess what? this just sitting there out in the open, like Chase sticker and everything, and I was so surprised. So I picked it up. I saw how much it was, because you know how Chases are more than normal pop figures like these, but these are also worth a lot. So I rung this up, and it was $7.19 because our store is going out of business. So they counted the Chase Funko Pop as a normal Funko Pop. So I ended up getting 2 from that store. So it was really good deal. But anyways, guys, that wraps up my video on the Predator Funko Pop or the GameStop mystery box. I might get that as a thumbnail shot, whatever. That's cool. But yeah, powered by Funko, only at GameStop. I'm so happy that I got the Predator because this is the one I really wanted. The Chase also looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified for my videos coming up. And I bought this for you on YouTube because I'm going to do a new series called Box of the Week, where I'll at least try to do it once a week, where I unbox a mystery box. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.